In today's video I'm gonna give you a lot more information about something called carnivore diet. Carnivore diet in the recent year produced a lot of buzz all around the world. In today's video I'm gonna give you everything you need to know about carnivore diet, so please listen to me carefully. As its name may imply, the carnivore diet is an all-eat diet that consists almost entirely of animal products like red meat, fish and poultry. In social media land, this diet also goes by the name of lion diet. Fruits and the veggies are off limits of this meat-only diet, along with other fruits such as nuts, seeds and the grains. Some other products such as eggs and the dairy may be permitted, although some advise limiting food high in lactose such as milk, cheese and yogurt. The related animal-based diet is more flexible than the carnivore diet and includes most dairy products as well as the fruit and the honey. For example, I'm going to give you a little bit more information what is the benefits, also what is the side effects of practicing regularly this carnivore diet. The carnivore diet is based on the idea that our ancestors ate limited amounts of carbs and consumed diet primarily composed of meat instead. However, unlike other similar low-carb diets such as paleo diet, the carnivore diet eliminates food containing carbohydrates completely. Historically, the concept of meat-centric diet isn't new. In the 19th century, figures like James Salisbury advocated for the meat-based diets, leading to the term of Salisbury steak. The modern resurgence of the carnivore diet, it is largely contributed to the Dr. Shaw Baker, who in 2018 advocacy brought the diet into the limelight. The diet emphasizes the consumption of an animal product while excluding all plant-based food. What are the maybe some other benefits or health benefits of using this diet? Most of all, if you eat only meat each day, you're probably gonna lose weight. This is one of the health benefits of regularly producing or regularly using this carnivore diet. Also, it's simplifying eating. With limit of food choices, meal planning becomes straightforward. Some individuals report improvements in autoimmune conditions and the mental disorders. Though these are anecdotal and lack robust scientific backing. That's why this is something I want to share with you. This carnivore diet doesn't have a lot of scientifically researched data, but this is sort of maybe of the benefits. Health risks are even greater, that's why you need to listen to me right now. Also, despite anecdotal reports of the benefits, the carnivore diet possesses several health risks. First one is nutritional deficiencies, excluding plant-based food can lead to deficiencies in essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin E and the fiber. High consumption of the red and the processed meat is associated with elevated LDL cholesterol level, increasing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. The absence of dietary fiber can lead to constipation and other gastrointestinal problems. High protein intake may strain the kidneys, potentially leading to the kidney stones or impaired kidney functions. Regular consumption of the red meat has been linked to higher risk of diabetes type 2, certain cancers like colorectal cancers and much more. That's why I'm not a fan of this carnivore diet, because if you eat meat each day, you deplete yourself for the very important minerals, vitamins and other nutrients that you can receive from other types of food, especially from the food like fruits, vegetables. That is, by my opinion, is very important for today's modern health. The scientific community remains skeptical about the carnivore diet due to the limited empiric evidence supporting its long-term safety and efficiency. Food to eat. The carnivore diet menu is pretty straightforward. Meat, fish, poultry, eggs, and certain dietary products are allowed, and most of the foods are eliminated. Here are some of the top foods that can be included as a part of carnivore diet shopping list. Meat like beef, pork, lamb, veal, bison, offal. Seafood like salmon, tuna, mackerel, anchovies and codfish. Poultry like chicken, turkey, goose and duck. Eggs and egg whites. Dairy product, low lactose foods like hard cheese and butter, also A2 milk, beverages, water and bone broth. And this is in the short what people usually eat on this carnivore diet, and maybe some of them maybe have some kind of health benefits. Food to avoid on the carnivore diet is especially fruits like apple, bananas, oranges, berry, pears, peaches, plums, etc. Veggies like broccoli, cauliflower, spinach, kale, zucchini, tomatoes, bell peppers, etc. Legumes like chickpeas, kidneys, beans, black beans, lentils, pinto beans, etc. Nuts like almonds, walnuts, macadamia nuts, pecans, shiso, pistachios. Seeds like chia seeds, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, hemp seeds, sunflower seeds. Grains like amaranth, quinoa, wheat, buckwheat, rice, oats, barley and pasta. Most dairy products in high lactose foods like milk, yogurt and the soft cheeses. Processed and ultra-processed food like chips, crackers, cookies, candies, convenience meals, fast food, etc. And beverages like coffee, sports drinks, soda, energy drinks. Of course, you will avoid any kind of sugar type of food that is, of course, beneficial for you. So, this is in the short what you need to know about the carnivore diet. At the same time, because the diet is literally bankrupt of vegetables and minerals, it is missing many key nutrients that human needs for the good health. For example, without plant-based nutrients, it's nearly impossible to get enough vitamin A and vitamin C or the fiber. While lowering carbohydrates such at the gastric level may help contribute to blood sugar levels, in general, it is advisable to consume some high fiber carbohydrates to prevent spike in the blood sugar, but those foods are removed from this diet. This diet eliminates several important food groups that supply key micronutrients, including a range of vitamins and the minerals. For example, a carnivore diet is very low in vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, magnesium, folate, because these nutrients are primarily found in fruits and vegetables. And also, one of the main things that you need to consider, you don't need anything about the fiber. Fiber is so important for everyday health, especially for our gut health. If you deplete yourself, if you eat carnivore diet, you will not eat any kind of fiber, and that is going to be unbelievably bad for you. Also, high in sodium and cholesterol saturated fat. On the other hand, the carnivore diet plan is high in dietary cholesterol, saturated fat and the sodium, all of which should be limited as a part of the healthy diet. For example, a diet high in saturated fat can raise LDL or bad cholesterol and raise the risk of the heart diseases. This is unbelievably important, and this is in the short video what you need to know about the carnivore diet. Some of you may already be on the carnivore diet. If you are, please comment below what are the main benefits or side effects that you are already experiencing. But for all of you that follow me each day, this is the main reason and in the short what you need to know about the carnivore diet. For the last 25 years after I finished college, I'm working with the patients from all around the world. My specialty is natural remedies, nutrition and physical therapy and rehabilitation. Every year I help thousands of people from all around the world. If you want to know how you can cure your diseases through natural remedies and a healthy lifestyle, call my office, MarioLab Center in Croatia at +385 98 917 9200. Feel free to contact us through Viber, WhatsApp, or visit my website MarioLab.hr, where you can find many more information about my work and how I can help you. I have put my knowledge of natural remedies and nutrition in my 3 books. My 3 books is about nutrition. First one is Intermittent Fasting, The Secrets of Health and Longevity, and next 2 are about nutrition and the natural remedies that can help you a lot. The books are also available on English language on my website MarioLab.hr. All information you have all below the video. My help is available to all of you from all around the world. If you are from North or South America, Africa, Asia, the Middle East, Australia or Europe, take advantage of my private phone consultation. Call my MarioLab center right now, make an appointment, and I will make sure for you to get better in natural way with any kind of side effects, as I've been doing for the last 25 years.